Welcome to my new video of unboxing series. Today we have the iPhone 6s Plus, the 32GB variant. Now let's quickly unbox it. Keeping this aside, now let's unbox it quickly. This is the iPhone itself. Let's keep it aside. As you can see, this is the rose gold color. It says iPhone S. Now let's see what else. As it says, designed in Apple, California. And the SIM ejector tool is over here, and some paperwork, the user manuals and guide, and some Apple stickers. And the adapter, the power brick which we get is a quick front overview of the device. This is the home button and the Touch ID. Over here it's the front firing earpiece, and this one is the front facing camera. Over here on the left side we have the volume rockers and the silent switch, and right over on the right side we have the power button and the SIM slot. This is a nano SIM slot, and over top we have nothing, just plain, and over the sides here these are the antenna bands, and here at the bottom the 3.5mm jack, the lightning port, and the bottom firing speakers. And as you can see, this is the iPhone S branding. Now let's quickly boot it up. As you can see, it will take a little while to boot it up, so have a look on the specifications of the device. As you can see, the display of the iPhone, the Touch ID, it's now activated. And now let's see in the settings. Let's go to the details, general settings, and over here as you can see the about phone, it has 32GB capability. It is in the inbuilt capacity is 32GB. The available overall data is 22.09GB, and it's out 11.4.1 iOS out of the box. As you can see, it's smooth as the UI experience, the iOS and all. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel then please subscribe to it.